Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Open your cameras quickly.
Now also somebody is joining.
Beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Nahi, sheesh, nobody is joining. If they will join, I will come to know easily. Don't worry about it.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. बेटा कल हमने कहाँ
Good
तक
morning.
क्वेश्चन कर लिए थे? We have done all 4 questions. Yes or no?
Yes,
Ma'am, we
ma'am.
have not done.
We have done question 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 किया था या नहीं किया था? 3 methods.
Ma'am, I'm checking.
चलो then quickly.
Ma'am, we have tell us only two methods,
What?
and we have done till two.
We have done till 2. What 2?
Then we will do 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, we will also do plus wali.
Okay. Show me sheesh. Show me sheesh.
Ma'am, the
Okay.
last work.
Ma'am, this.
हाँ. Kanishka is showing me.
Ma'am,
Let it
this.
be. Okay. ये वाला किया था. ठीक है. Okay. This is question C we were doing, right? Okay, let me share my screen with you all. We have done this one, right? Question 1 and 2, right? यही किया था ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will do the same question 3 and 4 question also. Now we will do question 3 and 4. So I'm just drawing a line over here. I'm just making the same thing here. मैं इसी में कंटिन्यू कर दे रही हूँ, आप भी उसी के आगे कंटिन्यू कर देना, okay? Just draw the line over
Yes,
here.
ma'am. Yes.
Just write here question number 3. Question number 3. Start writing. Wait a minute. Question today it was question is 4 plus 5 multiply by 3. Okay, this is question number 3. Start doing yourself and start doing question number 4 also. This is 8 plus 2 multiply by 10. Start doing these 4 questions yourself. 2 we have done yesterday and 2 you have to do it right now. I've shared the yesterday's answer also. This is yesterday's maths work and today's also I will send it. Just do it quickly and send your answer. Share your answers with me. Only 9 students are there. My God, how many students were in the previous class?
Ma'am, I think
Today we'll do reasoning
30.
also. They may are entering now. So late. Do it and send the answers to me. I want all the students present over here, all the answers of the students present over here. We'll do reasoning also today. Do it quickly. Two questions, and you will share it in the WhatsApp group. You have to share it in the WhatsApp group. Do it quickly and share it in the WhatsApp group. I am checking each and every one's answer, and keep your cameras on. Athar Singh, your camera is off. Do it quickly, and keep your cameras on so that I can see what you people are doing. See, Devansh Verma entering so late. Do it
I have
quickly.
done.
Done? Done, Sheesh? Send it.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, send it, beta. Let me see
Okay, ma'am.
how you have done it. I want to see how the answers you have done. Okay, I got Sheesh answer. Okay, Sheesh, good, very good. First one is correct. Rest of you also send me your answers quickly. And keep your Yuvraj Singh. बेटा आपको अभी बाहर करूंगी मैं. अर्पित, यशराज, Arav Solanki, never change your name. And always ask for washroom whenever you open your camera. Very good, Sheesh. Both the answers are correct.
So ma'am, we after doing this, we will do reasoning.
Yes, after doing this, we'll do reasoning today.
So ma'am, I take out my reasoning book.
Yes, you take it up. Be quick, everyone. We have to do reasoning today. We will complete one. We have to complete one chapter at least in reasoning. Sheesh, can you tell me what we were doing in reasoning, bache?
Okay, ma'am.
Are we doing alphabet test or something else? Alphabet test कर रहे थे या analogy कर रहे थे ये बताओ.
मैम alphabet test कर रहे थे.
Alphabet test कर रहे थे. Okay. Alphabet test we have started done till which question? Let me check in the D group. You are in B section now, BD group. Let me check in BD group what we have done in reasoning last time. I think we have done till question number 5. Question number 6 we have to start, right? Open your mics.
No,
Sorry,
ma'am.
cameras. Arpit,
No,
Athar
ma'am.
Singh, Yuvraj Singh.
No, ma'am. I think we have done till 9th.
Weekday वाला कर लिया था March month वाला.
Yes, ma'am. I'm checking D group.
No, we have done till
Ma'am,
this
I
one only.
bring my
हाँ ठीक कह रहे हो बेटा. Half 1 2 3 4 5 तक हमने किया था. 1 2 3 4 5. नहीं बेटा हमने 5 तक किया बस. We have to start for 6th
No, ma'am.
one.
No, ma'am. But my work is done till 9th one.
Okay.
ma'am,
हाँ.
ma'am, I take my reasoning book.
Araf Solanki, first of all change your name and don't speak in between like this. आरफ सोलंकी ये मेथड रॉन्ग है. सेकंड मेथड एक में फर्स्ट मेथड किया, एक में सेकंड मेथड किया. व्हाट इज दिस आरफ?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या किया ये? पहले में फर्स्ट मेथड किया, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वो थर्ड क्वेश्चन का सेकंड मेथड किधर है? फोर्थ क्वेश्चन का फर्स्ट मेथड किधर है?
Please 1 minute. I
1
write it.
minute. सेंड इट क्विकली एवरीवन. मानस बेटा इतना गंदा काम करने की क्या जरूरत थी? You can do on the next page. Whose mic is on? Continuously I'm getting repeated by voice of mine. Sheesh, switch off your mic. Okay, yes, Manas, your answers are correct. Very good, Manas. Athar Singh, don't you have a scale with you? Haan, Athar Singh, don't you have a scale with you? Draw the line with a scale, Athar Singh. Sheesh, are you there? Wait a minute, just give me a minute. You know Sheesh? Where are you, Sheesh? Open your camera. Sheesh, open your camera. Sheesh, are you able to hear me? Yes or no? Sheesh, खुद ही तो नहीं आ रहे हो बेटा आप. Sheesh, open your camera. Sheesh. Okay, do it quickly, everyone. Sheesh. Sheesh.
Ma'am,
Wait a minute.
ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I don't understand the second one. She is not in the meeting.
Yes, sheesh left the meeting. I don't know how come it's possible.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Yes, beta. Somebody is saying something. Kanishka, your work is correct. Very good, Kanishka. बाकी मुझे कब भेजेंगे? Remaining ones. Zoya, send your answer.
ma'am, I leave the meeting by mistake because my laptop was lagging. When you don't let me in, I tried the name and then you wouldn't you.
Sheesh, already there are so many sheets entering from your name. Please enter with your name only, whatever you have written. I'll give you some. Sheesh, why have you done this, beta? Why have you entered with another name? I already told you because already there is a lot of confusion regarding your name. Somebody else is entering with your name. So, beta, be very careful. Done, everyone? Now, please join from another device if you have.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, send me the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
And be ready with the reasoning board notebooks after this. I'm going to start the reasoning book.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, how many of you have not sent it? Zoya, correct. Zoya, very good. Sheesh, are you in? Who is Lenovo Tab M10FT Plus?
Yes, ma'am.
Sheesh,
I
are you in?
never
Sheesh, बेटा ऐसा नहीं किया करो. Never do this next time. I will give you one name. Only by that name you will be able to enter. Who is this Lenovo Tab? Who is this? Who is this Lenovo Tab M10? Beta, I'm going to remove you if you're not going to tell me your name. Lenovo Tab M10 FHD Plus. Who is this? I'm going to remove you. बेटा आप जो भी आप अपना नेम बताइए और आई एम गोइंग टू रिमूव यू विद इन 2 minutes. Don't ask me like sheesh. Okay, Zoya. Zoya, beta, be careful, beta. Always write your own name.
Am I absent?
Okay, Yashraj, very good. Good, Yashraj. All are correct. ठीक है. Now I'm going to stop sharing this one. I'll send you the answer in the WhatsApp group afterwards. But we will start the reasoning now. We will start the reasoning. So let me start the reasoning. We were here on this question. RAST. Now, what is the thing which is used for RAST? RAST से क्या बन सकता है? हाँ,
Ma'am, we have done this.
we have done this.
Ma'am, we have done this.
Okay,
Yes,
okay, okay,
ma'am.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, now let's start from reasonable से. अब मुझे ये start करना है. Reasonable वाला. Okay,
Yes.
before starting you have to look at my screen. मैंने एक example दिया था आपको reasoning में से आपको ये can और cannot वाला है ना? You remember? Which word cannot be found? बताया था या नहीं? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, read the question. Kanishka, read the question, beta. What is written in the
Okay,
question
ma'am.
number 10 and 11?
Find out the word which cannot be made from the letter of the given word.
Yes, you have to find out the name which cannot be formed from the letters of the given word. Reasonable. So which of the option is cannot be formed from this reasonable? Reasonable से कौन सा नहीं बन सकता है? And with the reason
Ma'am,
you have
brain.
to tell. Joshi, don't tell like this. Don't speak like that. Raise your hands. आरव सोलंकी, can you tell reasonable से बेटा कौन सा word नहीं बन सकता है? हाँ?
Ma'am,
Brain. Why? Why brain? Why
ma'am,
brain, Arav?
because
हाँ.
ma'am,
Why?
because reasonable not
Hmm.
have I.
Yes, reasonable does not have I. Very good. Very good, Arav Solanki. Reasonable में I word नहीं है और brain में it is coming I here. So brain का I is not here. I.
Ma'am, Yuvraj Singh.
Very good. Yuvraj Singh, just keep your mic off because I'm not going to listen to you because you never listen to me to switch on your camera. तो मैं भी तुम्हारी बात नहीं सुनूंगी if you're not going to listen to me. Okay, Yashraj, tell me this 11th answer, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell Yashraj. कंटेम्परेरी से कौन सा वर्ड नहीं बन सकता है?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, Rishabh, you speak.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is C.
Why?
Ma'am, because 2 times E in the word.
Very good. Very good. As you can see, yes, very good, Rishabh. As you can see, carpenter. CARP. C ये रहा, A ये रहा, A ये रहा. R is here with this only. Okay. कार हो गया. PENT. PENT is there. PENT is there. P भी है, E भी है, NT भी है. लेकिन next E जो है उसके लिए कोई word नहीं है. Next there is only one E. Here it is only one E. But there are two E's. Carpenter में 2 E का use हो रहा है. इसमें only one E is there. Only one E. Carpenter में, वो इसमें contemporary में. Okay, who can tell of the next one? Manas, tell the 12th one.
and the answer is A. And because in this there are in measurement there are words and
Because in
there are
measurement, speak again, Manas. I'm not able to hear you. Okay, let me ask myself. Zoya, can you tell the answer?
No, ma'am.
Zoya, you know the answer? Try. Zoya, you try yourself. Zoya, try. Okay, Sheesh, can you tell the answer?
Ma'am, of which one?
12 to 12th question. Which
Ma'am,
word
12?
can be formed? Can be formed. एक ही word बन सकता है. कौन सा word बन सकता है वो?
Ma'am, from verification. Ma'am, root. Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait a minute. Kanishka, you tell.
Ma'am, on 12th one. Ma'am,
Yes.
this is a master. Ma'am, master.
Why? Why, Kanishka?
Ma'am, because
Hmm.
ma'am, in the measurement there is M also, A also, S also, T also, E also, and R also.
Very
Because
good,
the correct
Kanishka.
option is
Very
master.
good. Measurement में M, A, S, T, E, R, all the words are present in the master. Measurement में master के सारे words present हैं, so master is the correct option. Mental will be M, A, N, T, L is not there. Mental का L नहीं है. Summit का S, U, M, M, I नहीं है. Summit का assure का A, S is not 2 times here. ठीक है? तो master is the correct option because master के सारे words है. Verification को बताओ. Okay, see all the words, check one by one. Check one by one and tell. Yes. Athar Singh, can you tell? Athar Singh, can you tell?
and friction.
Friction, why? Why?
Because all letter in friction are in verification.
Fiction or friction? Fiction. Okay. FIC is there. Fic और शन ये रहा. Root का U नहीं है. Verify का Y नहीं है. Rectify का भी Y नहीं है. Okay. So let's start the next number. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Find the form. ये वही वाला आ गया जो हमने पहले किया था. Arrange accordingly to form a meaningful word. ONWRED से आप मुझे बताओ कोई any meaningful word can you form with these words? ONWRED. हाँ. Third thing, tell the word.
Wonder.
Wonder. Okay, very good. WONDER. Wonder. Sorry, wonder. Okay, can you tell me the wonder ka W ka number? W ka number is
3.
3. Okay, very good. O ka
1.
1. N ka 2. D ka
6.
6. E ka
5.
5. R ka 4. 312654 is the reason answer. 312654. Which number is 312654?
Ma'am, C.
C1.
C.
C1 is 312654. Beta, whose parents are talking from the back, please switch off your mics. It does not look nice at all that your parents are talking at the back and we are hearing that noise. Just give me a minute. Let me share it on the D group. BD group. Today's maths book first I must send. Wait a minute. Let me share the AD group. May say today's maths book I'm sharing as well as this reasoning book. She stopped raising your hand for a minute.
I want to ask one thing.
Yes, what you want to ask?
Ma'am, now I am not able to join with my laptop.
Now what? नहीं नहीं बेटा, मैं I make meeting link every day, so you will be able to join from tomorrow onwards, but not today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So see the next one. Okay, how many meaningful words can be found by the third, 7th, 12th, and the 16th letter? Okay, now see this type of questions. Okay, let me tell you this type of questions. This is a new type of questions. अब आपको बोला है how many meaningful English words can be from. अब हमें क्या करना है? हमें इसकी काउंटिंग कर लेनी है. इसके ऊपर छोटा छोटा लिख देना है. Which number it is on? You have to write it a bit little small. ये R कौन से नंबर पर है? R is on 1 number, 2, 3, 4. Like this you number them. 4 हो गया ये. यहाँ से you have to write 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, like this you will do. Okay, you will make these numbers like this. Rishabh क्या कर रहा है ये? Okay, like this you will number these numbers. Oh, now they are saying which from the third letter. What is the third letter? Find out the third letter. Third पे कौन सा आ रहा था? S. Oh, it's quite confusing here. तो S कौन सा आ रहा है? Fourth पे कौन सा आ रहा है बेटा? S पे आ रहा है third one. This is the third one. If you count, this is the third one. तो आप एक काम करो, इसे पिक करके S को यहाँ पर कॉर्नर में लिख लेते हैं हम. S, ठीक है. S को हम लिख करके कॉर्नर में लिख लेते हैं. S के बाद which is the next one? They are saying third हो गया. अब 7 देखो, 4, 5, 6, 7. E लेटर आ गया हमारे पास. अब कौन सा आया है? E. अब इस E को भी हम कॉर्नर में लिख लेंगे. S, E हो गया. 7th हो गया. 12 देखो, अब 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. T is the next one. T is the next one. See, इस T को कॉपी करके यहाँ लिख लो. T will be here. Okay. Then 7 के बाद there is 12th and 16. 12 के बाद 13, 14, 15, 16. 13, 14, 15, 16. A is the next one. A is the next one. ठीक है. अब you got the number name as SETA. इससे words बनाओ. SETA. Words बनाओ इससे. Tell me some words. SETA words है. SETA से make words. How many words can be formed?
Ma'am,
हाँ
ma'am can
हाँ. Yes, you can tell.
ma'am
No. हाँ.
test.
TESA बेटा. SETA. Only these word you have to look. Tell. Test में तो 2 T आ रहे हैं ना. Eat. No.
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
हाँ. Zoya.
EAST. Ma'am, EAST.
East. Okay, you are saying EST. Very good, Zoya. East, correct. Then हाँ बेटा, जो जिसको भी आ रहा है they can tell without asking me. Yes, Manas, बोलो. Seat. Very good, Manas. SEAT, seat. Very good, Manas. Seat. Then one more is there.
Use all the words.
हाँ नहीं, find it out. देखो 2 से ज्यादा आ रहे हैं या नहीं आ रहे, बिकॉज इसमें एक ऑप्शन है more than 2. तो हम 2 से ज्यादा एक और वर्ड बना सकते हैं या नहीं बना सकते? 2 तो हमने बना लिए हैं. Can we form one more word or not? Yes, we can form eats.
I am asking that
We can.
that we have to use all the
नहीं
words.
बेटा, हमने eats और बना लिया. इसका मतलब 3 words बन गए. That means more than 2 words are forming here. If more than 2 words are here, so option D is the correct option. आपको ये भी note down कर लो. Write this also. Write this one also. Okay, let's do the next one. How many meaningful can say second वाला number बताओ. चलो अब आप मुझे बताओगे. What is on second number? What is on second number?
Ma'am, N.
N. Okay. Then sixth one.
Ma'am, O.
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 Oh, very good. Then 10th one.
Ma'am, E.
E.
Ma'am, E.
Okay. Then 14th one.
Ma'am, D.
D.
Ma'am, D.
N-O-E-D. N-O-E-D से you have to form the words. N-O-E-D. N-O-E-D. These are the 4 words. Form 4 words out of it. 4 नहीं, मतलब form some words. Try to form some words. एक तो बेटा
We
C.
have to use all the words.
Yes, you have to use all the letters. एक तो node बनेगा. N-O-D-E. N-O-D-E. Very good. Done.
Ma'am,
D-O-N-E.
Ma'am,
Done.
Ma'am,
Yes. Done. Node and done. Yes, next.
Ma'am, Dawn.
Dawn तो नहीं बनेगा बेटा.
Ma'am, do.
नहीं, do भी नहीं. 2 letters का नहीं, 4 letters का word होना चाहिए. बेटा इससे ज्यादा नहीं बन सकता. आप ई स्टार्टिंग में नहीं ला सकते इसमें कोई वर्ड में. सो आंसर विल बी 2 हियर ओनली. आंसर विल बी 2. Done and note. The answer will be 2. Why? Because it will be done and note. These are the 2 answers.
Ma'am, now can I tell the next one?
Wait a minute. Just wait a minute, Sheesh. Let me explain this. They are not able to understand also. किसी की समझ
Ma'am,
नहीं
one can be formed.
इसमें इसमें one can be formed.
Ma'am, in 16 question.
No, 2. No, done and 1. O इसमें 4th letter का है. 4 word होता है कोई word. O-N-E-D word कोई word होता है. 4 letters का है. Which letter should replace 2 question mark to make a meaningful English words? इसमें बेटा आप क्या करो? Do one thing. आप इसमें एक एक करके पुट करके देखो. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज यू. आप यू पुट करो इसमें. तो CURE कोई और होता है. PUIR is any word? PUIR is any word? No. So U is the wrong option. Let's put X here. Let's put X here. X. CXRE is any word? PXIR is any word? No. EIR is any word? CERE is any word? No. Let's try A here. CARE care. Oh, sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is A.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Pair and care.
Care
Ma'am,
and
pair and care.
A will be
Ma'am,
pair
is the
and
correct
care.
option.
Yes, A is the correct option. Pair and care. These are the 2 words which is forming here. Okay, find the combination so that the letters arrange according to the form of meaningful word. इसको हमें ऐसे अरेंज करना है मीनिंगफुल वर्ड बन जाए. कैन यू रिकॉग्नाइज द वर्ड हियर?
Ma'am, I can recognize.
हाँ,
Ma'am, meter.
मीटर. ओके,
And
वेरी गुड. METRE. M का वर्ड बोलो.
ma'am, 2, 4, 3, 1, 5.
M का 2 हो गया. E का 4 हो गया. T का हो गया 3. R का हो गया 1. और E का हो गया 5. 2, 4, 3, 1, 5. Is there any word? 2, 4, 3, 1, 5. Is there any number?
In A. C. Yes, ma'am, C. Ma'am, C.
बेटा 1, 5, 3 भी इसका ठीक हो सकता. नहीं 3, 1, 5. 3, 5, 1 तो नहीं है कहीं पर. नहीं है. ठीक है. ओके. How much time is left? Now we will do till here only. Till 18th question. Now we will do it tomorrow. Okay. Bye everyone. Now this chapter I think it is going to be done. 5 questions are left. We will complete this tomorrow. Okay.
Bye,
We complete this tomorrow and then we will start the next exercise, coding and decoding.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Tomorrow we'll do reasoning only.